Hello Cadists friends, this is teacher Claudio for another SolidWorks lesson, and for today we're gonna correct some homework from the last class. You can start your SolidWorks icon and then you can start the part workbench, okay? Alright, on the last video I led for you guys two exercises. Both of them are extrusions, solids created by extrusion. And on this first one, we're gonna need to use the Polygon command and the center rectangle command. And note that you do not need to draw the center lines, okay? It's just for the drawing. Alright, so in this exercise, do not explain which plane we should use to create the part and not explain where is the center point. I already decided that I'm going to use the center of the drawing as the origin point. It would be much more easier than using other corner point in the polygon. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to use the front plane. You can use a right click and use the shortcut of the sketch command. You can also use on the top here the sketch icon, but I prefer to use the shortcut on the right button. You can find this on using the left button too. And right click, display grid, and okay, you won't see the polygon command using the S key on your board. You're gonna need to select the polygon command right here on the above. Remember that if the number 6 is not set in the parameters, you won't get a hexagon. You need other polygons, but we need the hexagon. So tap 6 here, and then you can select the origin point. Avoid to create a vertical line here on this line that define the direction of your polygon. Avoid to use the vertical direction, okay? And avoid to erase the circle. We need this circle because without this circle you lose some relations in your drawing, okay? Now I'm going to set the direction, select this line and add the relation of horizontal. Alright, now I can use smart dimension. Okay, I'm not going to define the value right now, so let's create the rectangle. Remember that if you tap the first rectangle here, you select the first rectangle here, you're going to need to change the rectangle type. Or you can just select the shortcut here to set the center rectangle. Alright, select the center here, and then create the rectangle. Actually, it's not a rectangle, it's not just a rectangle, it's a square. I'm going to hold the Control key to select these two lines, and then you can add the relation of equal. That way, both lines will have the same length. Now it's a square, and I'm going to create dimension. Alright, and right here we have 25. And the other is 60. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. I misunderstood. Alright, now I can confirm the scat. The scat, and then can go to features, extrusion command. This will be 7.5. Right, enter. Well, it's finished. but I'm going to change the appearance of my part. You can change the color here. I'm going to use yellow. If you want to use other color, it's okay. Do as you wish. Alright, I'm gonna close here. I'm not going to use again this part, so I'm not going to save. If you want to save, it's okay, but I'm not going to use again. So let's start a new part here. Right, and the second exercise will be this one. In this one, I need to start doing the straight lot before. I cannot create the hexagons before the straight lot. It would be more easy. And there is also another reason. I want to talk about the center. I'm not going to use the corner points as origin point. I'm going to use the exactly center of the straight lot as the origin point. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to use the right plane, display grid, and right here straight slot. I'm going to use create a horizontal straight slot. And right now I would like that the center of my profile would be on the origin. I could select this line and the center and create midpoint condition, but I prefer select this point and the origin point to add coincidence relation. But the SolidWorks do not allow. Why? Let's understand why this has happened. Let me do Ctrl Z. Alright, undo comments. So the SolidWorks do not allow you to intersect the drawing itself. I cannot cross this arc with this other arc. They cannot go to the left and this one go to right, and you see. So to do not the sketch do not intersect itself, the SolidWorks avoid to do some relations. But how I'm going to resolve my problem? I need this point here. To resolve this point is simple. You can start creating some dimensions here. Now with these dimensions I can move my drawing. You see? When your profile is almost defined, when you define the dimensions, the external dimensions of your profile, it will be more easy to move your profile without intersecting itself. Okay, so when you have this problem, try to create some dimensions. Maybe we'll resolve the problem of moving the profile. All right. Okay, let's create now the polygons, the hexagons right here, and press ESC, hold Control key, and horizontal, and smart command, smart dimension. All right, my profile is already defined. Maybe in the options you're set an option here, input dimension value. With this configuration, you always, every time you create a dimension, the SolidWorks will ask if you want to set the value of dimension. But I prefer to create all the dimensions first, and then I correct the values after. Okay, will be much more easy and more fast if you do as this way. Right, let's set the dimensions. You see, now you just spend one time to set all the dimensions. Alright guys, it's this way I'm used to work. First you draw, then you create dimensions, and then you set dimensions. Okay, extrusion command, 5 millimeters, enter. Another one is finished. Let's change the appearance. I'm going to use the green color. If you can choose another color if you want it. Set OK. And that's it, guys. Please do not forget to do our homework. I do not make the homework on the same video because the video will take more time, and some subjects, some features I like to mention in the exercise videos, like change color, for example. So please do not forget to do our homework videos. All right. To see the whole course, look for the playlist on the channel. Hope you can enjoy doing other CAD programs in our channel. And did you like this video? Please press like and leave some comments. If you have any doubts, I will answer you in the comments, alright? Subscribe to the channel, our Facebook page and LinkedIn page. If you want, the links is on our website in the description of the video. Share or indicate with your friends if you know any other people that would like to learn other CAD programs. Please indicate our channel for your friends. And if you want private lessons, if you want video courses, ebooks, and other stuff, and other service, just press the website on the description. See you guys in the next video. Have a nice day, and may God be with you.